What's going on, family? It's your boy Black Feniks checking in with you right now. Just wanted to talk to you. I just left the doctor, and the doctor told me that my symptoms are clearing up from my disease that I haven't talked about. And I had to leave my home state because I had a disease. And now I'm able to talk to it about everybody why I left. And I left my home state of Arkansas because I have oppressitis. And oppressitis is when you have been to prison for 10 years or more, oppressive relationship, oppressive parents, if you've been oppressed on the job, then you have an issue with obeying rules by someone you know that's oppressing you. You have a cold heart about it. You can't work for no one. You can't be in a relationship that's oppressive. And I was told I had to leave. I had to leave, and I had to go somewhere where I can be independent. I had to find a woman who allowed me to be free, and I had to be able to make my own money. So I moved to Phoenix, Arizona. And today I can honestly tell you that my symptoms are clearing up because I'm free today. I feel better. I can do what I want to do. I can go and come as I please. I obey the law of the land, and I'll be able to enjoy life as it is at this moment. My name is Joe Brown, aka Black Feniks. I have oppressitis. If you have the same symptoms, maybe I can share my testimony with you and it can help you also. And I'm out.